We're doing Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, Let's Go Pikachu, Pokeball Plus unboxings. So yeah, I have the Pikachu and I got the Eevee. And as you can see, I've already opened one of them. And that's because my 7-year-old wanted to play already. And I wasn't going to hold him back just to do a video. So I let him open Pikachu. But we're going to open up Eevee and pretty much show you what's inside the Pikachu as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright, so we have Let's Go Pikachu, Pokeball Plus. So this is a little bundle. You do get the Pokeball. This is for $99.99. Actually, I picked these up on Amazon for like 80 bucks because I got, sale. When you do pre-order or you do get this bundle, you do get Mew and the Pokeball. But of course, you got to do all the sign-ups. So you get the Pokeball. Here you got the Eevee version. So Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Pokemon Eevee. Same thing. You get the Pokeball. You do get the little bundle as well. And also, you get Mew, which is pretty dope. I heard that if you bought both of these, you get Mewtwo, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to do some more research. And if you do get Mewtwo, I'll let you guys and gals know. So let's go ahead and get started and open up this Let's Go Eevee. Since I've already opened up Pikachu, we're doing Eevee, but I'll still, show you what's inside Pikachu box, so that way, it's similar to what's inside of this one. For starters, your insides of the box. You get the game, of course, sealed, covered up. Let's Go Eevee. And you do get the Pokeball Plus inside the box. So it's pretty much the same thing in the Pikachu version. So if I pull this one out, you get the same deal. You get the Pikachu game and you get the Pokeball Plus. So similar, just different covers, different characters, and that's pretty much it. The Pokeball Plus are the same thing. You get the same Mew, nothing different. So without further ado, let's start off with opening the Let's Go Eevee and see what's inside. And it's not much to it, it's just a little disc, of course. There is one cool thing that I do like about this, game cover, game case. Once you open it up, you got the whole map of the game. Pretty awesome, right? But let me show you the little cartridge first. This is Let's Go Pikachu Eevee. There goes Eevee right there. Small little cartridge, little SD card. It's pretty dope. They didn't go discs on this route. So let me show you the map here. Pull this out. Man, you can see Pallet Town, Viridian City. You see Route 2, Route 21. Dang, there goes Articuno, Moltres. There goes Articuno down there. There goes Mewtwo. So this is the entire map of the game. So if if you're ever lost and you're wondering where you're at, follow this map. And I believe you start off here. Yeah, Pallet Town. There goes Pallet Town right there. You got Pikachu Eevee. You meet with Professor Oak. And you just work your way through the whole game. So this is the front cover right here. You got Eevee in the front, all giggly and wiggly. And in the back, of course, 1 or 2 players on the TV, 1 or 2 players on the Switch itself, and 1 player on, the whole handheld. So you can play this 2 players, which is pretty awesome. You don't need no memory or nothing to download it to your Switch because it's already there. It's, it's on a disc, so it's pretty cool. So exciting adventure with Eevee. First Pokemon adventure for everyone. So this is kind of like French or something. You got Psyduck. You got Eevee. You got Vulpix. Who else do you got here? You got Mewtwo. You got Team Rocket. So yeah. And we move on to the last part of the unboxing, which is the Pokeball Plus. Like I said, you get Mew and the Pokeball. You just got to sign up for a Nintendo account. Or I'm pretty sure y'all do have a Nintendo account. So let's go ahead and take this off. Take off the tapes because this thing's like sealed up pretty good. Alright, I think I got it here. Yep. Take it off. I don't know. It's a little tight little box. A little jam-packed. Pretty cool here. You got the silhouettes of Butterfree and Pharaoh or Sparrow. You got it right there if you can see it. It looks like it could be Sparrow or Pidgey, but I think it's Sparrow because of the beak. So if you can see here, of course these are Butterfrees because these are butterflies, so I know what those are. Take it out of the box. You do get a little charging cable for your Pokeball Plus because you do need a charger right off the bat whenever you pull it out. It does have a little bit of charge. I don't recommend playing with it right off the bat because it kind of dies out after 10 minutes of use. So if you fully charge this, maybe it takes about an hour to fully charge. You get the USB Type-C cable right here. And all you got to do is plug it into your dock, on the side of the dock, and you're good to go. This is what I meant, plugging in the side of your dock. There's a little piece in the back that you unclick, plug it in, plug that in, and it charges. You can leave it overnight. and you know, it should be good to go next morning. Or like I said, leave it there for an hour or so, and you're good. This is just, you know, a little how-to guide of charging it. Let's go ahead and put that away. Next thing we got is the Pokeball Plus. So yeah, I played this at Dallas at the Pikachu and Eevee tour. This is pretty cool. I like this. It's an actual controller. So as you can see here, it's lit up. You push it down, it's already lighting up. This is the back piece that I mean. You know, you pop this out open, and then you charge it right there. This is a little reset switch right here. I don't know if you can see it. Well, right there, that little dot right there. Yeah, right there. That's the little reset switch in case your Pokeball goes haywire, which it shouldn't. This is also a button right here. This is kind of B, like back. This is you moving around with your joystick. Also, if you click down, you know, same thing. So technically, you don't need the Joy-Cons to play this game. You know, you put this on your wrist right here. Let me show y'all real quick. And I think you stick your finger in like this. You could do this. You could do something like this. You know, throw the ball. Reason why you have this jump, you know, bungee cord jumpy thing deal here is that way you don't throw your ball to the TV. So that's why they have that there. But technically, I'm not that dumb that's, you know, gonna break my 4K TV with the Pokeball. Of course, I'm gonna hold on to it. So we are at the end of the video. This is the unboxing of Pokemon Eevee, Pokemon Pikachu Let's Go, Pokeball Plus bundles. You got Pikachu, you got your Eevee, you got your Pokeball Plus, and you got your bundles. So that is it. Pretty simple unboxing, not much to it. You know, you get two things, the ball and the game, which is pretty cool. You do save at least $10 when you buy the bundle, because I think the ball alone costs $50. So like taxes, you know, here in Texas comes out to like almost $58. The game alone is like $59.99, I think, or $54. So that's a little bit over $100, you know, $110 for taxes. Comes out, you know, close to $120. So I'm not gonna do all the math. But if you do buy the bundle, it's a little bit cheaper. You at least save $10. So you know, I recommend you get the bundle. And if you're not interested, you know, in the controller, at least get it from Mew, because that's the only way you're going to get Mew, unless they have special events that you can do and unlock Mew for your Pokemon Go game. Once again, thank you guys and gals for watching this unboxing. This is Pokemon Let's Go Eevee and Pikachu. I will be doing the Nintendo Switch console next. I will try to upload it today, if not tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. If any of y'all want to battle trade, let me know, add me. I'll put down my little link or my code for my Nintendo Switch account. You know, we could be friends, trade Pokemon. We'd be Pokemon masters. You know what I'm talking about? So thank you guys and gals for watching. This is GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.